তিশালো Tiprasa BJP Khainai rok tai Ipft belaino Wanalai jak tajam CM Manik Sorkarni bufayung CM Dr Manik Sahani aro Laikha TISF National Highway by Malkhung Kolok Railway no Kashulaima tai Thaklaya all Tiprasa stagno rogoi pati muna rogoi CM Musaphano Shaklaya ko pia CM Tomungno Khatong kheba Tiprasa rok no Ruman Uskip by Shoirina Muchungma tongkhe Sachungni barja baino Khaiman khamo pia boni bukha kurini bagai Telino Yashi Shol tongo obokok strai Tiprasa rok no strike ni bishente Shatoma naima kok kalayo CM ni Shinai nungnai rok shalaima kok borok skip no rogoi portis gam thangnani nayo Tipra hapang lap manani bagai pia Tipra mo thate bo korak ani bachai mani hini shalai tongo tabo naithei obono buskang jora rogo bobo haya pri engna Tipra hapang ni tai TISF by TSF ni oro kok hisa shatai kalayo bishi burum shanani nangya jatkhe engri manchinai da rung shurunai rok ni permanent solution manai de kaham tai judaku rung shurungmo thinango chingnai de dofani jati haike mangde o ha shakani komori thangna nangno sungmung kotor ajaja khastini nungna shinai luguro.
All of you are aware about the ongoing issues. Yesterday also our delegate, BJP and Ipft delegate had interacted with Honorable Chief Minister, and today also interacted about the ongoing issues, and we had a conversation with Chief Minister. As you all are aware, the Honorable Chief Minister has given a statement in last assembly session, and accordingly that Honorable Chief Minister has issued a correspondence letter to New Delhi, CBSE, regarding these issues. And today also Chief Minister has spoke with us, and we are quite hopeful about the issues.